I want 1 soap, please.
Soap?
Let's see. Excited or embarrassed? I think this one means excited.
You'll do great today. It is your first day.
Huh? Yeah, I'm ready. Excuse me, where is room 14?
Oh, it is right down there to your left.
Hello, I am Kenji. And that is why I want to marry my cat.
Sometimes we feel excited, and sometimes we feel embarrassed. It is okay to feel both of these emotions.
Hi, can I sit here with you today? Oh, wow, yes, you definitely can. Delicious! Kenji, you have to see this. I'm opening my own diner. Wow, that looks amazing. I definitely want one. Welcome to my mom's diner, Kenji.
Come on inside, you two.
Come on inside, you two. Huh? The Monster Burger is the best. You should totally get that one. I will have the Mega Monster Burger with extra chocolate sauce and a giant bucket of onion rings, please. I want 1 soap, please.
Soap?
Emma said, Kenji, soup is food. Soap is for washing hands. They sound similar. Wow! This looks totally amazing! Let's eat! Today I feel excited. Sometimes I feel embarrassed. I feel a little nervous. This looks very delicious. I am very proud. You did great, Kenji. Soup. Soap. Delicious. I want, please. Well done. You did great.